Students, now we will start the next point of the Albert Einstein. So, Albert felt miserable when he left the school that afternoon, means being hurt to the punishment by his teacher. He had to stay in the school for extra time, and Albert became unhappy to go to the house in noon time, and he did not like this school. Means Albert had hated like that school. He lived in a small room, and it was situated in one of the poorest quarters of Munich, means in Germany. Albert was lived in a small house which was only one room set, and it was situated in backward areas of Munich. Munich is a city of Germany, means in Germany country, and the landlady used to beat her children regularly, and her husband came drunk every Saturday and beat her. Means in which quarter Albert had lived. In there, the landlady mostly had beaten her children, and with it, her husband had came to take the drink every Saturday, and he had also beaten his wife. So all these reasons has troubled to Albert, and Albert did not like the children's crying. Everybody, means from the neighbor, daily had come. The more noise, children's weeping noise had come daily. So Albert did not like that he was so disturbed. And he told these things to his friend Yuri. Albert had a friend named Yuri. Albert discussed these problems with his friend, and he hated the atmosphere of slum violence. Means Albert hated the noiseful atmosphere of those slum areas. Elsa, his cousins, came to Munich. Means in some days, Albert cousins Elsa had come to Munich. She told to Albert that if he tried, he could pass the examination. Means Albert's cousin Elsa supported him and told him, and Elsa guided him, motivated him that if he tried, then he could get the success in his every exam. So there were students more stupid than him, and with it, Elsa tried to told Albert that you are not weak in your class. Comparison has to be more stupid students in your class. And next point, passing the examination was not difficult. It's just repeating some events in the examination. So, to clear the exam had not difficult, because some events and fact are repeated in the examinations, and some events you have to learn already. So Albert was not good at learning things by heart. Means Albert could not learn the facts and points easily, because it had not come he had not interested in bookish knowledge. Rather than he wanted to invent his facts, and he liked music as it gave him comfort. Means Albert liked music When he was in tension, he became in stress. Then he listened the music which gave him relax. He also liked geology, means his favorite subject was zoology, and Albert did not like to remain in that school, means Albert did not like the schools, like that schools where the pressure of study for on the students, and his remaining days he had not go to school. Okay students.